Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. To enable bass boost, you need to open HUAWEI AI Life application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and then in HUAWEI Sound we have presets, so you can or scroll down and enable bass boost here by just tap at this preset, or you can click more and click at the bass boost here. So right here, as you can see, we need to see this check mark. Then you just go back, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!